Hello guys, do you know that what everyone in the online field and online business wants more sales, and that's the reason why I'm creating this video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can get extra sales on your Redbubble account by promoting your product. Now this is a unique strategy to promote your products and get more sales in 2020 as well as in 2021. Now not most of the people are utilizing this strategy. That's the reason why it is a completely unsaturated strategy and you can make a ton of money. So now let's get started into the video.
A few moments later.
So guys, the first thing you need to do is go to my store. You can visit my store and the link is there in the description, as well as you can get a 10 years of good luck by buying something from my store. Okay, so now let's get started into the video. Now you have to go to a particular website which is really awesome, and with that website you can promote your Redbubble products really very easily. It is known as placeit.net. Now once you go to this website, all you need to do is search for free video mockups. Okay, so it is here. Now you can just select any of the mockups whichever you like over here, and you can just start editing it and add the images which you have created or the designs which you have created on any of this particular mockup. So for this example I'm gonna select this one. Okay, this hoodie looks nice. Okay, I think so, and that's the reason why I'm gonna select this hoodie. And now what we will be doing is that we will be editing this and adding our own image to this hoodie. Now all you need to do is click on this insert image button, which is over here, and just upload it from your device. So you can just upload any of the image from your computer. Okay, so now I have the transparent background image with me, so I'll be uploading that image over here. And now you just have to click on this crop button and it will be automatically placed on the t-shirt. Okay, and don't worry, it looks really awesome and really original. Placeit is really a great tool because the things which you find on Placeit is awesome. Now you just click on this play and you can see the video will be processed. It takes some time, I don't know why, but this platform takes some time to record. Okay, to some time to render a video, and let it render. Okay, so the thing is that you can just utilize this video on Instagram, as well as you can utilize this video on TikTok, as well as you can utilize this video on Pinterest. These are the three platforms on which you can just take this video and upload it, because it's a vertical video and all these three platforms do support this type of videos, and you can use this type of videos in these three platforms really very easily. Okay, I'm not gonna show you how to create Pinterest account and all that stuff, or how to create Instagram account, because you already know those stuff. Okay, and that's the reason why I'm just simply making this video. And now once your video is there, you can see this video is ready over here. Now we can just download this video really very simply. Okay, so there would be a free download button which you just have to click and your video will be downloaded to your computer. I have already downloaded this, so I'm not gonna download this video again. All you need to do is click on this button to download the video. Okay, so once your video is ready and downloaded to your computer, now what you can do is you can go to Pinterest, and I'm going to show you in this video how to upload this video to Pinterest. And it's really simple and really easy. All you need to do is open your Pinterest account. If you don't know how to make a Pinterest account, just check out, a lot of tutorials are available on YouTube. Now the first thing is just create new pin and just upload your video. Okay, so let me find where is my video, and now I'm gonna upload this video to my Pinterest. Okay, it's really easy and almost everyone can do this. Okay, so once you have uploaded your video to Pinterest, you just need to give it a particular simple title which is related to the product. Okay, so now let me think and give some of the title to this. Okay, so awesome, I'm giving it a title which includes most of the keywords which are related to this hoodie. Okay, awesome dog funny coat hoodie. Okay, this would be the title for this product. Now there would be a description, and description also has to be keyword rich. This is also very important. So you can get this hoodie. Let me think. Okay, for this winter. Okay, so this is something which I am thinking out and I am just writing it down, which includes most of the keywords, and you have to add the hashtags. Hashtags are very important. Just don't add too many hashtags, add 3 or 4 hashtags. Okay, now first is men's t-shirt, because this is a men's t-shirt. Okay, then you just have to add dog lover. Okay, dog lover or dog related hashtags, because there is a dog pattern on this particular product. Okay, so now you just have to add this extra tags. If you are adding a video to Pinterest, then you have to add this extra tags. Now don't worry, all you need to do is just type in the keywords and it will automatically suggest you some of the keywords which are related to your product. Okay, so I have just selected the tag which appeared in the suggestion, and then you can also select another which appears in the suggestion. Okay, so men's t-shirt would be fine for this. Okay, so I have selected the tag. Now you just have to paste your Redbubble products link. So I have pasted it over here, and you can see my entire promotion video is ready. Now you can also use this video on Pinterest. You can use this on Pinterest. You can also add this to Instagram Reels, add this to your Instagram story, add this to TikTok and all those other platforms which you can use to promote your product. Now most of the people are not going to do this stuff, who are working on Redbubble are not going to put any effort in promoting their products. But if you are going to do this, if you are going to put an effort in promoting your products, the result would be great. You will get great rewards for that, and you will earn extra money for that, and that's something which you need to do, because most of the people are not doing that. Okay, so you can see this has been published to Pinterest, and it's really a simple process. Almost any one of you can do this process, and you can increase your revenue on Redbubble or increase your earnings on Redbubble. Is increasing your earnings on Redbubble is really simple with this very simple strategy. Now I will also be making some videos in which I'll be showing you how to upload these designs to Instagram and all that other platforms. Okay, so those are also the platforms on which you can utilize the same video and upload that video and gain some extra eyeballs on your product. And once you get some extra eyeballs on your product, you are gonna make some more extra sweet money, and that is the goal of all of us who are watching this videos, this make money online video.
One eternity later.
So guys, this has been that awesome strategy which I have been utilizing myself, and I have got a ton of sales with this strategy. You can also use this strategy, make a ton of money, and then buy everything whatever you want to buy of that money. That's the reason why I'm making this video, so that I can really help you to make this awesome money online and get out of that really
A few moments later.
bad 9 to 5. So we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.